If a review is a scored review, once it's been answered by at least one person, you'll begin to get a report on the questions that have been answered. Come up here on the review cycle screen to the reporting tab, like so. The reports are brilliant for analysing the answers that come through, and then you can see the performance levels of your teams across sites, departments, and job roles. You have a number of overall reports at the top of the screen. The first being an average score on each branch, department, and job. And you can simply untick options to compare. Further down, you can filter this entire report by different branches, departments, areas, job roles, or indeed individual users. Simply click a drop down and highlight the options that you wish to display, and the data will change accordingly. Further down, we can see various overall reports, such as reviews by classification and whether reviews are on time or overdue. All of these main reports can be switched on and off to include in a PDF report, which you can generate by clicking this button here on the left-hand side of the screen. As we move down, we also get question analytics on a review as well. So we can look at the scores achieved overall on each question. This will give you a good indication of performance levels again across sites or departments or roles, or even on the individual user, so you can use this information to begin filling gaps in your training. Once you have enough responses on a free text question, you'll be able to generate a word cloud from the responses that are given. When this is displayed on the screen, the larger the word, the more it's being mentioned in a free text question. If you would like to see individual reports on users, come to the Users tab on your menu, find a user you're looking for, and then click on the Reviews tab, and you'll be able to see every review that individual has been set. You'll be able to click on one, like so. You can see your answers, if it was for you, and the manager's answers that were given, and the tasks that were set for you from that review as well. If we click on a user as well, we can click on Reviews like so. Click on a review, and this will put them side by side. The other option you can view from a user's screen, if we click into one like so, is to come to the Performance History tab here. The more performance reviews they answer, this will generate a graph over a period of time, so you'll be able to measure performance and make sure it's remaining high, or at least on an upwards trend.